everyone, Mr. Samaniego here, and today I'm going to show you how to sign in to Jumbula in order for your children to be in our after-school programs, all right? First things first, I'm going to have a link down there that takes you straight to Jumbula. You also might receive a flyer that looks kind of like this. We'll have the QR code that takes you to the Jumbula, as well as the video directions that I'm recording right now to help you throughout. First things first, I'm going to scan this to take me straight to the Jumbula. Once you scan this, it's gonna take you right here. Once you're here, you're gonna go down and we're gonna sign into Express Register. Once we're in Express Register, it's gonna ask you to go to the waiting list. You're gonna go ahead and press Add to Wait List. And then it's gonna ask you to either sign in or sign up. If you have already signed in, you should already put the email there, but I'm gonna do a sign up just to walk you through the steps. I'm going to create an account. I'm going to do this one, Mr. Samaniego @gmail.com. I'm going to confirm my email and a password. Make sure to follow other options. Choose my own password. Make sure to follow the directions for the password. All right, you need at least one uppercase, one lowercase, a special character like a star or a star, an asterisk, a exclamation point, anything like that. One number, it has to be 8 characters long. Just to be safe, I'm gonna write my password in a piece of paper. Sure. Okay, now that I'm here, I'm going to select, that's the free ELOP. And it says full, don't worry about it, it says waitlist available. What we're doing today, we're adding them to the program waitlist. Once they're on the wait list, our instructors will make sure to put your child from the wait list to their own specific class. All right. Now that we're here, I'm going to fill in the information. Participant, that is a child. I'm going to put Rubencito just for now. Rubencito, I'm going to pretend he's my child. Samaniego. Put it in, date of birth. You should put the correct information. I'm just making him right here, 22. 2019, let's say. Okay. All right. Next step right here is going to be the email address. You can put the student's email address. They usually have one by the school. I'm just gonna put mine real quick. Mr. Samaniego. But children, the students do have an email address that you can put there, provided by the school. All right. I'm going to put the address line real quick. Put Rubena. Once you're in this window right here, after you put the information, your information, the child's information, emergency contact information, next you're gonna read the consent, each one, make sure to read them closely, and you're gonna sign it with your finger and make sure you press I agree. I'm not gonna go over the specific of the consent forms. That's for you to read them and read them carefully. I want to make a step-by-step, so I'm going to save you some time. Put your signature, continue. So right here now, if you notice carefully, that message on the bottom that says you're on the wait list for this program, that is already your child is already on the system already. Now it'll be the educator's role to grab your child from the wait list and add them to their own program. But let's say if you want to have your children not just one day in one program, but you wanted to go a program on Monday, a program on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, or on Friday, you have to add your child the number of times you want them in the program. So if you wanted to be after school for, let's say, 3 programs, you need to add your child 3 times. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I already signed them up once. They're already on the wait list. I already did my part. I can either press register for same program, add to wait list. It's the free LOP, and you're gonna press continue. Who am I gonna add to the program? Well, I'm gonna add Rubencito again. I'm gonna add him again. And it's just, since if you notice, the information is already there from last time, so you don't have to do this again, or you only have to do it once, which is the nice thing. Then you're gonna press continue. After that, the only thing you do have to do again is just sign in your forms again and you agree. So I'm going to do that. If by any mistake, there you go. So now, if you notice, my child is in there twice. If you notice here, I have 1 and 2. This is 1 time right here, 24, 25, and 2 times. So this puts your child in the waiting list twice, because let's say you want them to be in 2 classes. We would put, oh wow, we would put your children on the first class with this first registration out of the wait list, and on the second class we'll use this one right here. So it's very important that you put in your children, you're registering your children, the number of times you want them to come to the program, the number of times you want, the number of programs you want to be in. Some programs are 2 days, so you have to add them the number of programs they're going to be in. A way that you can check if it's been correctly, you will go under profile. Again, I pressed those 3 lines right there. I press those, and then you're gonna press profile. So for the moment, in the profile is not gonna have, if you go to this calendar right here, in that calendar with a clock, here it'll say the classes that your child is enrolled in. At the moment, my child, Rubencito, he's in the waiting list. Once the educator puts them on their actual class from the waiting list, you're gonna see all the classes that they're enrolled down here, okay? So this is how you can use Jumbula to sign up your children for the after-school programs. Thank you.